You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in this video we are going to do an unboxing of this bootleg Broly figure. And I'm a big fan of Broly. I'm just going to be honest with that. But let's do a quick unboxing and just see what we're going to get with this. I picked it up a very long time ago for 25 euros, this bootleg version. Yeah, and I'm curious like how good it is. Because, man, this box is really flimsy, like really bad quality. And in my opinion, that isn't very good. So let's see what we're going to get on the inside. Okay, I do notice that this thing is quite heavy. Alright, let's put this one in the storage. And let's see if this thing comes with a base or whatsoever. Some of these statues will fit perfectly in my collection. Some are like freaking awful. Personally, I really like it when they come in, let's say, these like awesome positions and then have like this support block. So you can just basically like put them in your collection and doesn't take up a lot of space. So let's take a close look at the figure itself. And I must say, like, the first impression is wow. Just wow. Like, look at his mouth. Just the way how they painted this. His hair looks very nice. You don't see a lot of molding lines. You do see like a couple of them that are just normal. Nothing really like annoying. So this is very positive. Alright, so let's get this thing out of the plastic. What we're going to do is remove all the plastic over here. And of course, what we're going to do is basically putting all of this in the recycling. And wrap the bubble wrap. And this is going to be in my storage because it's always very handy to pack everything up. Okay, so the thing that we need to do is of putting this over here. I'm curious how this is going to be fitting. Oh, you see some weird thing going on over here with the paint. Oh, okay. Not bad at all. Okay. Don't forget to close my knife. Okay, so this thing fits in perfectly. So that's absolutely like a very positive thing. Quite interesting, we do have like only one support block. I'm guessing I need to put it on here. Wow, nice. Okay, so I must say that I am impressed. I'm impressed the way how this thing fits together. I still see this little bit of a line. Wait a minute. Yeah, you can still see it over here. There is a line. I think it's not really annoying, but it's something I just want to point out. The overall quality is not bad at all. I really love this paint job of his skin. They went for not like a lot of shadow effects or filth on it, but they more like went to a clean look with a nice gloss on it. The same goes for the full statue. Also here I have like this glossy look at it. So in overall, it's very nice. So another thing I'm happy with is like the mouth. The mouth looks very nice. Already give you like a quick look at the beginning of this video. Okay, so let's do this crazy zoom to show you what I mean. Like the paint job in his mouth has been done perfectly. So when it comes to this bootleg, this is absolutely cool. But okay guys, so basically when you're looking at this here, also this looks very nice. Take consideration I do have like different brands, original ones in my collection that have different kind of colored hair, more shadow effect to it. But I think this looks very nice. But for a bootleg, I will give it an 8 out of 10. And this is the reason because this thing looks absolutely great. There's still flaws, there are some minor things that I find quite a little bit of annoying when it comes to mold line. But beside that, they did an amazing job with the paint job, but also when it comes to the way how it looks in general and how it's basically going to be standing in my collection. Because it is very stable, something that is like a big of an issue with these things. Nevertheless, I want to thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, hit that little bell, become a Wicked family. And it would be so great to see you in the next video.